Hello, good day everyone. You're welcome to class. Today, we will be taking a look at the question on the board, which says, evaluate 110010 base 2 minus 11101 base 2. Now you can see, these are not your normal numbers that are in base 10. These numbers are in base 2. So, let's take a look at the solution. So first and foremost, we bring out the numbers 11010 base 2, then 10111 also in base 2. Remember, it's subtraction. Then now we do 0 minus 1. At this elementary stage, we say it's not possible. So what do? We need to borrow from the next number. Now, the key thing about subtraction in number basis is that whatever you borrow from here, when you borrow 1 from the next number, is equivalent to the number base you are working with. So, since we are working with base 2, the 1 we borrow here is equivalent to 2. So here becomes 0, while here is 2. So it becomes 2 minus 1, which is 1. Then 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 0 minus 1, we can't do that. And we don't have a number here to borrow from. So what do? We borrow from this one. When we borrow from here, here becomes 0. Remember, it's equivalent to the number base we are working with now, which is base 2. So here becomes 2. Then we borrow from here again. Here becomes 1 now, while here becomes 2. Then we'll do 2 minus 1, which is 1. Then 1 minus 1, which is 0. 0 minus 1, we don't want to do that. So what do? We borrow 1 from here. So here becomes 0 and here is 2. So we have 2 minus 1, which is 1, all in base 2. Thank you so much for being a part of Learning with Daniel for today. Stay tuned.